Okay, in this video, it's a preview of what's to come mainly. You're going to represent all solutions that are yes for this equation, and you have to have a graph, okay? The line has already been graphed, okay? Because the MB, y-intercept would be 3, then you'd be down 2, forward 1. So that part's already done. What you need to focus on is finding where all the yes points are at, and you're going to just randomly pick a point. I usually pick a point here, okay? Now I go off this side and label that point. That point is forward 1, 2, 3. And that point is also up 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 3, 3. So you replace your y with 3 and put a times dot, replace your x with 3. So you have 3 greater than negative 2 times 3 plus 3. Now this side is already set. You know you have a 3 over there. You don't know this side. You need to times and then add. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. 3 is bigger than negative 3. That's a yes. So what you do then is put a yes over that point. And then the other side of the line is no. Now you're highlighting the yes side. That's not me scribbling it out, it's me highlighting it, okay? The yes side gets shaded in. Okay, next problem. I kind of like to live in here if I can, that's just my opinion. So x, y. So you're forward 1, 2, 3. Then you're up positive 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can't mix them up either. Forward is your x, up is your y. Okay, so x is 3, we're going to put a times and put 3. Y is 4, we're going to put a times and put 4. So you have 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 greater than or equal to negative 12. So line up your symbol. This side is set, negative 12. This side's not even close to set. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. Well, this is bigger, and that's a yes again. So I put yes. The other side of the line is no. The line I made separates the yes from the no. Now in future assignments you can make that yourself, but that's what you have. Okay, y greater than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. So there's a line. 2, down 1, forward 3. Okay, the line's made. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, I'm going to pick this point here. Doesn't matter. You can pick it there, it doesn't matter. Anywhere but on the line. So forward 1, 2, 3. So x is 3 at that point, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, y is 4. Okay, so y is 4, and then x is being multiplied, so I put a dot and cross out, put 3. So you're set on that side with 4. This side you have negative 1/3 times 3 plus 2. Well, you're not set on this side. You need to take negative 1/3, 1ABC 3 times 3. Click equals, negative 1. Then you need to take negative 1 plus 2, which is 1. Higher numbers here, and it eats it. That's another yes. So I'm on a streak of yeses. The other side's no. There's where all the yeses are at. Okay, 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 30. Okay, so anywhere, pick a point anywhere. You can pick 0, 0 if you want, as long as a line doesn't run through it. Okay, 0, 0 is the middle. So, let's put times and then 0 for x, times 0 for y. So you got 3 times 0. Again, you're putting those in for x and y. Plus 5 times 0, greater than or equal to negative 30. So this side's set at negative 30. Now anything times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. I got bad news for you. 0 is a higher value than a negative. Okay? So that's a higher value. It eats that, so that's a yes. I'm on a hot streak here, guessing. Okay? Yes. Because I'm just guessing. I'm just picking a point, putting it in. If it's yes, fine. No's over here. Any point you pick on that graph where I colored in, you would get a yes. Okay, y greater than or equal to 3x. Okay, so I'll pick that point there. So obviously I wouldn't be able to do 0, 0 here. The line's running on it. So forward 1, 2, 3. 3. Up, positive 1, positive 2. When you move forward, you count by positive for x. When you move up, you count positive for y. Okay, y is 2. Then I put a dot, and x is 3. So 2 greater than or equal to 3 times 3. Well, that side's set. 3 times 3 is 9. 9's a bigger number, and it's not eating the 9, so that's a no. The streak is over. No. The other side's yes. So I highlight the yes side. Okay, y less than 3x minus 4. So times plus negative. Here, you don't even have to pick a point over here. Let's pick this point. You can do u on the assignment. I don't care. Okay. Now, from the middle, I move backwards, so I count by negatives on x. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Then I'm moving up, so I count positive on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you'd want to do negatives when you can just live on positives, I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. Y is 4, and then x, negative 3. So we got 4 less than 3 times negative 3 plus negative 4. So we have 4 on that side. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 4 is negative 13. This is my higher number. That's a no. Now I'm on a losing streak. So no, yes. Okay, there you're highlighted. Okay, 3x minus 5y greater than or equal to 15. Right there. I just plop something down. Remember, the operations are times, plus, negative, and times. Because all those letters are coming out here in a bit. So 1, 2, 3. Forward 3 positive. 1, 2, 3. 3 negative. Usually you set it up like this though. Okay. So let's put 3 in for both of them. 3 times 3. Again, 3, because you pick 3 for y, 3 for x. It's just what you pick. You can't overthink this. It's not. That's 9. So this side we know has 15. Okay. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Then you add, you plus. Okay. 9 plus negative 15 is negative 6. Higher numbers there. Does it eat that number? No. Okay. A no. Wait a second. Wait a second. Did I do that right? Yeah, I did it right. 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 That's a no. This is a yes. Okay. A positive is always higher than a negative. Okay. Next problem. Y and 2. So that's why the line is right there. It's up at 2. And then it just goes across that on the Y. That's how we'll. So pick a point. Doesn't matter where. That point I made is forward 2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there ain't even an X, so the Y I slash out, put 4. And both sides are set, 4 and 2. We don't have any operations in the whole thing. 4 is bigger. Is it eat 4? No. Now I'm on a losing streak. See? No. There's the line. So yes is on the other side. So you're highlighting all the points below it. Okay, there's a line. Don't whine about fractions. It ain't hard. You got times and plus. So that point I picked, you can pick any point anywhere, as long as it's not on the line. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 3. Okay, so y is 3, and then x is 3. So we got negative 1/4 times 3 plus 6. So we're going to times first. Times comes before adding every time. Negative 3/4. Then I simply take my calculator and take negative 3/4 and add 6. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 is bigger than 3. Okay, but that's a no. 5 in a row. I've lost. I'm streaky, man. No. Yes. So yes is up here. Okay, 4x minus 5y greater than negative 20. I'll just pick this point in the middle. Hey, the line ain't going through it. Why not? 0, 0. Times plus negative times. Those are both coming out, and we're putting zeros in for both of them. So 4 times 0 plus negative 5 times 0 greater than negative 20. So on this side you got negative 20. Now you got to figure out what's on that side. That'd be 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 is higher value than any negative. Does it eat 0? Yes. Notice how I always circle the higher value. That's a yes. So yes, finally I got one. The other side's no. Okay, y less than or equal to 4x minus 3. The line's drawn. See how it starts at minus 3, goes up 4 over 1 because the y is by itself. So, yeah. Let's go there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 is y. And what are your operations? Times plus negative. Okay, so x is 4. So what do we have? We have 3. 4 times 4 plus negative 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus negative 3 is 13. Okay, 13 is bigger than 3. That's a yes because it eats the bigger number. So yes, no. If it's not eating the bigger number, it's no. If it eats a bigger number, it's yes. Okay, y less than negative 4. So there's a line. Again, when it's only y, it's going to be a straight horizontal line. Pick a point somewhere. Pick that one. So in conjunction with the middle, you're forward 2, positive 1, positive 2. X is 2. 1, 2, 3. Y is 3. Well, y is 3, and we don't have x. There's no operations. It's just one number on each side. So eat the bigger number. No, 3 is bigger than negative 4, so that's a no. So no, the other side of that line is a yes sirree. Any point we pick over there would have been a yes. Okay, last one. Y greater than negative 1/3 x plus 1. I'll go up here, just to make it interesting. Actually, no. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go backwards. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So when you're going backwards, you count by negatives on x. And then we're going down, so we count by negatives on y. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay, so y, negative 5. Now, put a times dot. Negative 1/3 times x plus 2. Well, now x is negative 5. And now it's negative 1/3 times negative 5 plus 2. Again, that's pretty well set with a -5. Now to find the value of the other side, you need to do math. -1 ABC3 times -5. Got 1 2/3. It's all right. Then we take 1 2/3 plus 2. I'm guessing it's probably 2 2/3 since 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 2/3 since 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 2/3. But, you know. Okay, positives always has a higher value than a negative, so it's not eating that. That's a no. So that's a no. Everywhere over there is a no. Everywhere on this side's a yes. Boom.